new ignition barrel, but the original ignition barrel has a really long lead on it. The replacement is much shorter, so you can imagine that's not going to plug into the loom. So what I ended up doing was taking this part off the ignition barrel. So effectively, this turns your motorcycle on and off. And this is the security device, which is pinned up. You pop your key into it, and assuming your key fits it, it will move that little bar there. And this is your on-off switch. Right. So what I did was take it apart, and I really want this new one there. Whereas our nice modern one comes with Phillips screws, this one has what's called security Torx. So I've got some long ones here as a demo. This is way bigger than what I need. So it looks like a Torx. It doesn't have to be long like this, but look, it's got that little hole cut in it there. Some manufacturers don't cut the hole quite straight, but so a normal Torx bit won't fit into a security Torx. What I'm hoping is this comes off nicely and I can just swap the on-off switch for the ignition over to the new barrel, because this motorcycle came with like 3 different keys. One of them did the seat release, one of them did the fuel tank, and one of them did the ignition. And I'm kind of thinking that this was the only original key to the entire motorcycle, the ignition. Everyone laughed when I got this tiny little driver. Laughed their heads off. What are you doing with that? I think it's bloody brilliant. Does a good job. Oh my. Is it going to be the same? Will it fit? No. Oh yeah, little bugger. Why don't you want to fit? Oh, that is a shame. I'll give it a good wiggle. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh. I've got any keys for it anyway. So, new barrel. Old wiring. Yes. One screw, that's it. Oh no, I like to keep my workspace fairly tidy, but I need 3. And it was only 48 hours ago that I put them on here. And now the hunt begins for where have the screws gone. Oh man, where have they gone? Well, if anyone sees them. Alright. That's not one of them. I might have to hoover under here, don't you think? That's not one of them either. What else is there around here? What else have I lost? After lots of searching around, it looks like I put them back in the new unit, so that was 10 minutes of stress. So what I'll do is I'll take the old ignition and this new on-off switch, just keep them together. I don't mind that technology's moved on and we're now using Phillips screws. It's okay. It's all right with me. Before we go sticking it on the bike, it's worth doing a continuity check just to make sure all is well. Perfect. Oh, that'll go well. At least I'll have keys that will work on everything from the ignition to the fuel cap to the very, very difficult to get to. Just put that down. And I will show you all later that that is glued in to one of the panels on the bike. So at least I've got keys that open everything. People to know. Wonderful. Are these bolts in the right way round? Is that on the Honda aficionados that going to tell me they're the wrong way round? Oh, that's no good. I should have looked at this earlier and fixed it earlier. It's one of those mistakes you kind of regret because you're like, I want to fit the clocks. Ow. Better have a look at all of them, really. Okay, well, I'll fix them and fit this in the next video.